Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. Want to take a second to talk about some of the grounds for obtaining a protective order. So in the state of Oklahoma, there are certain reasons that an individual could obtain a protective order from another individual or individuals. For instance, if you are a family or household member, right? So you have lived together, currently live together, have been in a dating relationship or related in some way, you can obtain a protective order for domestic violence or threats of domestic violence and harassment, right? If you're not a household member, you could obtain it for rape or stalking, or if you're the victim of a crime. That victim of a crime part was actually recently added by the Oklahoma legislature. Before, it was domestic violence, household member, some sort of relationship required, harassment, again, some sort of relationship required, or stalking, in which case you didn't have to have a relationship, but you had to show multiple instances of conduct, right? So if you are a victim of domestic violence from a household member, someone with whom you're in a relationship, you share a child or children, then you can get a protective order for domestic violence. If you are a household member or in a relationship with somebody and they are harassing you, again, that pattern of conduct, then you can obtain a protective order on those grounds. If you're not related to the individual, for instance, maybe it's just a neighbor who's pointing their cameras into your yard or something of that nature, you can obtain one for criminal conduct or stalking, okay? Which, oddly enough, the definition of stalking includes various forms of harassment. But these are the grounds sort of generally that will get you a protective order in the state of Oklahoma.
The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish an attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham Day and anyone watching this video.